and welcome. It's my pleasure to make for you today a vegan version of this amazing chocolate cake, the Queen of Sheba. This cake was first introduced to us by none other than Julia Child in her fantastic cookbook, Mastering the Art of French Cooking, and it had its TV premiere on French Chef in 1965. Whenever I'm veganizing a recipe such as the Queen of Sheba, I try to stay as true to the original as I can. The biggest challenge of vegan baking is replacing the eggs. And here I used the so-called flax eggs, which is ground flax seed mixed with warm water. The mixture has the same texture as the eggs, and it just works beautifully here. I really hope that you give this recipe a try. Please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. So let's get baking.